Okay, this is Odin's Wolf Survival. Set up the legs part of the camp stool video. The first video, which I'll have a link below, is setting up the top part, making the leather bit. This part is another video I did, was showing how to braid hemp, twist hemp into cordage, and that's what this is. It's hemp cord, 3 of them, hemp string made into cord, and do that 3 times and then twist 3 of them together is kind of what this ended up being. So what it is, okay, once you got that, then you form your loop in it, and what I'm going to end up doing when I'm done with that is putting a little bit of super glue in there, wrapping this end, lashing this end, super gluing everything together just as insurance. You can do this with a leather cord if you don't feel like doing this. These are just 1.25" dowel, I believe it is. You could use oak, you can use whatever 1.25" should hold in. You know, this is poplar, I think, and it actually holds up. So there's my experiment. You take them, set them 2 foot long. So you set them together like this. And what I did is I just run it through the loop, bring it down, and this way you can adjust the height of your stool to a degree. Now I don't know how well this would work on a slick floor, or once you find out what you like, you can cut little notches in it to where the cord will run. So I pull it tight, go around it a couple times, such as, then when you come down to the last of it, run it down and under, and this is why I want to lash it to make it easier. Run it around, down in, pull it up, pull it tight. If you go down through again, the chair, when the legs cross, it'll set in on the knots, or that cord. And you pull it apart like so. And that may be too tall, so you can bring it down. Set it up again. Top of the legs go in the pockets. Just push it out. If it's not to where you like it, you can move it down just a little bit. So one nice thing about this, it's adjustable. And once you get everything set where you like it for you, you can mark it. Carve the legs in here a little bit to set up against each other to where you know they lock together, and to hold a string to keep it from moving around if you want to. Once you have that, got it out where you want it, plant your butt in it. It'll slide around, and even if it does drop, 1 stick will go this way, 2 sticks will go out. You don't have to worry about getting a popsicle stick enema. It'll all be good. You just land on the floor a little bit. But this hemp is strong enough to hold it. A leather cord would be strong enough to hold it. You could make your own, like a dog collar sort of thing, or strap, belt with holes in it and a buckle, and you could pull it tight however you like to do it. It's a personable thing, however you want to personalize it and make it yours. That's the idea behind stuff like this. But this is my camp stool. It's now done. There it is. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Helps out with the analytics on YouTube. Helps me out. We're making the channel grow, so thank you for watching, and have a glorious day.